Hello guys. Today we are going to take a little adventure in the new bee swarm. Okay. Little stick bug dancing up there. New quest for black bear. Already got crimson and cobalt bee. Wait, they added festive bee? Let's go up there and it is no 17,000. Okay, let's do this. Sorry about that, guys. Just a little glitch. Happens from time to time. Wow, the bees here are good. If you see at the top, I have 1,171,875 container space. And 118,200 something. It's still escalated. I only have that much because I needed enough to buy my crimson bee. I had 150 tickets, so I got 33 million to buy 100 more tickets. Oh, look at the top. 1 million. Now let's go. Now I want to show you guys something over. No peeking. I want to show you guys something over here that is new. Past the 20 B gate and pass game. Thank you. Let's go. Behind here, you would normally get an ant pass, but now if you go back here, see, there's an ant pass. I already took the ant pass, so if you go up there, you see that pink thing over there, right next to the green wall? No peeking. I'm gonna show you once I get to the top. Hear that music change? Now, once you see this, and you have enough to get it, go there immediately to get it. A gummy bee pad! I don't want to go to your base. Whee! You see that? You see that over there? A new barrier for there. Look, a barrier. There's a new barrier. So if you try to get there from Rosefield, you'll get blocked. Now guys, I would like you to meet Crimson and Cobalt Bee right there. They're the ones with the trails. Not you, Ninja Bee. I know you're legendary, but stop showing off. Stop showing off your trail. Let's go. No! if you're a noob, don't bother doing this. Because if you are doing this, you're doing it for nothing. Because there's a diamond mask in there that costs 5 billion honey. Ow. And the highest honey pack is the honey vault, which is 4 million honey. Million to billion. There are even new pollinators here. Look, see? Golden rate collects 7 pollen from 4 lines of 4 patches in 0.75 seconds. Every 5th scoop is supercharged to reach farther and collect more. And Spark Staff collects all pollen from the 3 tallest nearby flowers in 0.6 seconds. So guys, that is all the new stuff I need to show you. So click the like button, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.